Using the knife tool in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. You can access the knife tool in the left toolbar. Step 2. After you select the knife tool, you can access the knife options above the design window in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 3. Click the knife tool drop-down to access the different knife styles that allow you to cut shapes in various patterns. Step 4. The first 4 knife types are the ones you'll find in the basic edition. They include straight, poly, curve, and freehand. Step 5. Each knife type allows users to draw a knife line. Step 6. With the knife type selected, place the mouse over the shape, left-click the mouse and drag it from one point to the other, then release the mouse. Step 7. The rest of the knife types in the Designer Edition allow users to draw different patterned knife lines. Step 8. Select a knife type, uncheck the Auto Apply box, then click and drag the mouse from one end of the shape to the other. Step 9. Once the knife line is cut, it'll present a series of control points that allow users to manipulate the knife line. Step 10. Use the bar in the middle to slide towards the left or right to increase and decrease the frequency of the effect. Step 11. The white points at either end allow users to move the position of the knife line. Step 12. Use the red point at the start of the knife line to control the height and depth of the effect. Step 13. Once you're happy with the effect of the knife line, click Apply. Step 14. When you are working with an unfilled closed shape, you can have the knife treated as a solid or as an outline. Step 15. When you choose solid and drag the knife from one end to the other, it'll seal up the slices. Step 16. When you choose outline and cut it, it'll just slice through the line and leave an open shape. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.